Across India, 3.5 lakh teachers built their own apps, each one an island. One teacher's work never helping another. A teacher lost in marketing budgets, app maintenance, payment gateways has already stopped being a teacher. This is AllCoaching, the operating system of education. One platform, every educator, every student. For the student, one app. Search by name. Find your teacher by merit, not by who paid for the most ads. No 15 downloads, no 15 logins. Just the best found. For the educator, you just teach. Courses, live classes, payments, analytics, all handled. Your brand, your students, your data. A new enrollment even now. The old way cost 36,000 a year and guaranteed nothing. Here, zero to start. And you keep 90%. So stop running a startup, start teaching again. The future of education won't be built by companies. It'll be built by educators. By you.